Hello, my dear friends. So today we are going to talk about latest Android emulator setup tutorial and main points of installation setup. It's want for setup correctly. Let's go. Firstly, you want Android Studio download. Let us now in React Native website, and I going now tutorial start. You can see Android Studio download link in this here, if you can get it. This is official Android Studio site, so we now want to download. So guys, this is latest version in September 2024. If you download this one, and please tick it to agree the conditions. Okay, I'm done it early, and I going to run location. Especially, you must download after the setup. You want environment setup in your setting. Add path in this like and new path location, add correctly. Android Studio download. After you want to install it, you want select standard path, and see like this. I think you want wait more hours or few minutes like this, guys, because we cannot say clear time. How many hours can get to install it? Very depend. SDK not installed. If you this error, but do not worry, I will tell it. What can we do now? Close the window and Android screen reload automatically. Now you can virtual manager device button select for SDK. Download. System image want select. Now SDK component installer setup. Installed after unzipping automatically. Now, you want select image. Next, verify configurations, then finish the setup. Okay, your device ready for you. Next step is you want Visual Studio Code. Start and run the device like this type. You can run it. Click the given icon. Display size so big, and we now going to set up normal size. You want to go to Android folder location like this. Android folder have another file. You want to select it. Now, this select document open with properties. Select compatibility and select high DPI change. Is this can overriding and big screen can adjust to system size? Okay, now apply and close Windows. You want now kill the open emulator and restart with it. Display size changed correctly. Now run Android emulator. Okay, then you can run emulator correctly. And I am now stop this setup discussion, and thank you watching my video and good day YouTubers. Lastly, don't forget subscribe my channel and add a comment in comment section. Thank you.